God, I really fucked up my bangs. That's embarrassing. It was just like that hole right there. I remember cutting it and being like, yes, it's good. And then after, I was like, oh, that's like really not good. Great. I really fucked it up. I don't know. God, I hate it. I've like never hated my hair so much as I do right now. And it's like, it's not really like this part, like this is fine. I did pigtails again for the first time in like 3 months, so like that's fine too, but like I really fucked up the bangs in my opinion. I don't know. I just feel like they look really fucking weird, but I think that if I fucking hate my hair, I should just deal with it. And it's like I'm so, how did I don't understand. It's like I need this to grow immediately. I'm so mad. I'm gonna try to fix my bangs. I don't know if this is gonna help, but like I hate them so much that like it's not even funny. And so I just like need to deal with this somehow. I fucked that up. I don't want to cut this stuff necessarily. Well, they're shorter. I think, yeah, they're definitely better. So you don't have like that hole there. I might just leave it. I would normally like make them more choppy, but at this point I'm kind of scared to do that because that's how I fucked them up in the first place. I feel like they almost like, when bangs should like round out, you know? Like they curve this way instead of this way, right? I feel like this side is longer, or this side just isn't. It's like this side puffs up more or something, I don't know. I do kind of want to like... Yeah, but this way at least they're kind of like in line with my cyber edge a little. Yeah, I think I would just leave it. I like don't want to fuck it up more. I have like all this hair on my lap. I'll vacuum later. Okay. Cool, I might like go look in the mirror a bunch and then see how I feel. Okay, I think that's like good for now. I did not want them to be this short when I originally cut them, but I just I couldn't stand it. I couldn't stand how I had tried to like make them choppy, and they'll grow, obviously. Good enough for me. I still have like little hairs all over my face. Can you fucking get out of my perfect eyebrows? Okay. Okay, well, cool. I think I fixed them. I at least feel better. And I have kind of wanted to have more straight across bangs for a while, so I guess I'm doing that now. I really just could not continue looking at myself in the viewfinder with those bangs, or the mirror, honestly. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If I fixed them, did I make it worse? Are they better? Please say they're better. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's it for this impromptu bangs trimming video in the middle of filming my Instagram transformation video. It's like 2 transformation videos in one. Trying to fix my real self and trying to turn myself into a better version Instagram model of myself. So much fun. So many changes. Okay. Well, on that note, if you want to see what I look like next, what else I changed, what else I do, make sure to subscribe. If you haven't seen the Instagram transformation video, go see that. I don't know what it looks like yet. I don't know what it's gonna be. So go check it out. Go see what happened. But thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this super random bangs trimming attempt to fix them video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!